So it's been a while. VIN tag. So I miscalculated the amount of time it was going to take to do the paperwork process in the state of Illinois, which I live. I requested the paperwork packet back in May. It's now October 14th. It took 7 weeks just to get the paperwork packet sent to me. And I didn't request it till May because everything that I'd seen online and everything that I'd read was it was about a 6-week process from start to finish. It's not a 6-week process. It's been almost 5 months. I just had the car inspected, as you can see by that form. So it's all done. I'm waiting on the state to send the license plates and the registration and the title, which should be about another week. So what I'm down to is waiting on that, and I have the Factory 5 ID plate, which I'm going to go ahead and stamp the VIN on there now that I have a VIN number. And I'm going to mount that to this removable panel, which goes over on top of the driver's foot box over there. This is a piece of lead plate, an aluminum plate on top. And we'll tape this down. So yeah, I think that, the frustrating part about the paperwork, I mean, obviously if I would have known that it would have taken an unreasonable amount of time, I would have started the paperwork process sooner. And then when I made the initial contact to get the paperwork packet, you call one department and I guess they request it from another department, and that department never sent it. So I waited a couple of weeks and called back and basically got, I'll request it again. Waited another couple of weeks and no paperwork. So I finally had to send an email to the customer feedback loop that explained the situation. And it was another week and a half, and I called back after leaving like multiple messages. Finally got a hold of somebody, and they ended up FedExing the packet out to me. So from that point on, it's gone fairly smooth, but yeah, it's just unfortunate. So my advice on that would be plan ahead a little bit better than I did, but who would have known? So I have these 1/8 dies, letter punches. So I'm just going to punch the VIN number into this data plate here. Just drilling this up, gonna pop right on the panel. Just put a piece of tape down there to keep it straight, in line with the bottom of it. Seemed to look the best. This panel's not cut 90 degrees, so compromise. We'll pop that off and put a little RTV under it in case it decides it wants to squeaky. I don't think it will, but might as well. Deeper those holes too. So it sits nice and flat. Open tube of RTV. It's not dried up yet. So hopefully my plates will show up in the next week or so, and I can still get some drives in before it turns too cold. That's the plan anyway. The car is insured as of this week. Of course, I had to have a VIN number before I got the on-the-road insurance. That wasn't too bad. Alright, put this on without making a mess. Here we go. Clean that excess RTV up and squeeze it out. Put on the panels. So that's installed, and that's what that looks like. Pretty cool that Factory 5 includes those. Yeah, that's there. And then VIN number data plates down there on the passenger foot box. Hopefully the next video is of me burning the tires off this. Stay tuned.